I'm Juna the Orange Huntress, and today I'm going to show you how to make a venison roast in your Instant Pot for your family in 1 hour. The recipe will be down in the description. Press your saute button and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Salt and pepper both sides of your roast and pop it in your hot pot. Sear both sides for 2 to 3 minutes until they're nice and brown. While that's browning, start your sauce. You want to mix together 1 can of mushroom soup and fill the can twice with chicken broth. It saves you a dish and it helps to get some of that soup out. I added a heaping tablespoon of minced garlic, a heaping tablespoon of grainy mustard, a tablespoon of dehydrated onion, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme and rosemary. And last but not least, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire. That's it for ingredients, so give it a good whiskeroo. At this point, your roast should be done browning if not already done, so set it to the side and let's dump that liquid into our warm pot. Use your whisk again to get all that good flavor off the bottom. Once it feels like you got most everything, then put your roast back in and pour the rest of your liquid over top. Time to seal that puppy. Be sure your steam release nozzle is in the proper position because if it's not, you will not get a seal. Press the pressure cook button and turn your timer to 25 minutes. I know, only 25 minutes. Now you can prep the rest of your meal or tidy your kitchen like me. Open your steam release nozzle after 10 minutes of your timer being done and use a spoon or spatula for that. Pop your lid off and take a look at your roast. She's gorgeous!
Oh my goodness.
Oh, yeah. Now you want to let your roast rest on the counter for 10 minutes. Lightly cover it with some foil to keep the heat in and allow the juices to go back into the meat. I turned my saute feature back on and added a cornstarch slurry because I wanted this to be a beautiful mushroom gravy. Once your 10 minutes is up, then slice up your roast. This was about a 2 or 2.5 pound top round roast. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking.